From your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or Plus, while you're on call on your phone, Messenger, or WhatsApp, from a crowded or noisy place, you can enable the noise cancellation for both ends to get clearer sounds. So in this video, we will show you how to do that by enabling the mic mode or voice focus option. But please remember, this option will only come up when we're on a call with someone. Swipe down notification panel, expand it, and here you will see a mic mode option that's defaultly selected to standard. You can just go ahead, tap on and select voice focus option, press done, see if that enhances your sound quality or not. Hopefully you and the other person will get to hear a clearer voice. There is another option that will only be available to you whenever you are on a voice or video call with someone on Messenger or WhatsApp. And that's called full spectrum. Full spectrum is the opposite of noise cancelling that picks up all the surrounding and ambient sound. You can select it by the same process. Now, we're just showing you how to enable all these options, okay? Now, you can select the options that best suits your comfort and your own choice. So this is how you can enable the mic mode or voice focus option on your Samsung S24 series phone. Thanks for watching.